wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite recipes to cook as a student, which are super easy to make and really affordable.
You are a function of this total galaxy. The real deep down you is the...
I don't know about you, but as a student I definitely need some affordable and easy recipe ideas, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Okay, so I'll put little timestamps up here somewhere, but the recipes that I'm going to be making are shakshuka, which is a spicy tomato sauce with poached egg and feta on top. I'm going to be making a cheesy chicken sweet corn broccoli pasta, which is actually really nice. I love making that. I'm also going to be making a chicken and vegetable meal prep bowl. Comment down below some of your favourite recipes, or comment down below some really good student recipes that I can check out. I would really appreciate it. There's feta, some eggs, and some kind of spicy tomato sauce. The first thing I do is get a bowl and cook the tomato and chili sauce. I think there's been quite a few videos where I've made poached eggs before and it's gone like astronomically wrong. So I'm gonna use these little egg poachers.
You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are.
I absolutely love making shakshuka. It's so easy to make. It's a really quick meal to make as well, and in general I just love how it tastes. It's really good. It's got protein in it from the eggs, and the mix of the eggs and the cheese and the sauce just goes together so well.
You keep chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars.
So to make this, all you need is some feta, peppers, chicken, other vegetables like cucumber or whatever you want to include, and I also chose to put some red pepper hummus on mine, but obviously that's completely optional. The first thing that I do is chop up all the chicken and the feta and the peppers and put them in the bowl. There are so many different variations of this meal that you can make, but I really like this particular combination because it just goes together really well. Combines some of my favourite foods and it's super healthy, which is always nice. This meal is so easy to make, and it took me like 10 minutes. It's really simple. I'll then add some hummus if I want to, because it just kind of makes the chicken less dry and just more enjoyable in my opinion, but obviously that is completely optional, so sort of add whatever sauce you like, if any, and there you go, you've got your chicken, feta and peppers meal prep bowl. To make this, you just need some pasta, some milk, some butter, some cheese, some spinach, some flour, and some chicken. For some reason, my cat decided to join me in the kitchen when I was making this. So the first thing I do is start making the pasta, so just put a little bit of salt in a saucepan and bring it to the boil. First of all, love pasta. I feel like pasta is one of the main student meals to cook. Like, everyone knows how to cook pasta. To make the sauce, you just need to put some butter and flour in a saucepan and then mix that Whenever it's got like 5 minutes left, I'll put in the spinach and the sweet corn so that boils. When you feel it's ready, slowly pour some milk in until it becomes more of a sauce, and keep stirring it while you're doing this. But there are so many different variations that you can have with it. It's sort of like a mac and cheese, but just with added either vegetables or protein or whatever you like really. I'll then drain the pasta and spinach and sweet corn and mix that in with the sauce that I've made. This is a nice, quick and easy meal and makes a really good dinner, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Okay, for breakfast I'm going to have salt and vinegar rice cakes with avocados and scrambled eggs. Okay, so the first thing that I'll do is get the salt and vinegar rice cakes and smash the avocado on top of this with a fork, and then I'll add some salt and some pepper on top just to add some flavour to it, which is really nice. I will then make the scrambled eggs by obviously mixing up the eggs in a cup and then mixing that into the pan along with some butter until this is cooked. My bitch call, talking about some drama. I swear there ain't no time for women on a coma. They see the pussy or the karma. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. I really love this meal because it's so easy to make. It doesn't take long at all. It tastes delicious and it's super healthy as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.